Yo guys, so I have Shane here. You guys already know Shane. So this time around Shane isn't actually here for any parts or anything else. I know I've actually also been lacking on videos, etc., but hopefully this will clear up a lot. The reason why Shane is actually here is to buy one of these cars over here. But yeah, in all honesty, he's actually here to buy the EK. He actually bought the car already. That is also kind of why I was lacking on content on the EK. I knew that he was kind of interested in the car, as well as a few other parties as well. And I didn't really want to add anything to the car knowingly that someone was definitely going to buy the car. But yeah, this is a new beginning for him, so you guys can move over to his channel. The car won't be missed because you guys will obviously be seeing the car on his side, and then obviously seeing that this car is gone, there will most likely be a replacement on my side as well. So this is the EG6, so stay tuned for that as well. And then Tegan in the background as well. He also recently just sold his car and also got a Civic. I'm not quite sure where they are right now in his on Shane's channel, but to my understanding he's also getting something cool, so you guys can stay tuned for that as well. And then yeah, we're currently actually just waiting for payment to reflect, but we are going to chill out. Shane already checked out the car previously already. It was just a matter of him or us coming to an agreement. But yeah guys, hope that clears up everything, and I hope you guys are excited for what's up and coming. At the end of this video I might just show you guys maybe a 15-minute process on what we actually did on the car. I know not much was done to the car, but anyway, hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, my dudes. So drive to Philips Auto Works. They're actually going to assist me with pressing the trailing arm boosters and the ball joints. As you can see, they're currently busy right now. But you guys are already familiar with Philips Auto Works. You guys are familiar with this car. I think I did the tire lettering on this car. That's also RC Parker's car over there as well. Today is actually Kilani. I don't know if he's going to race today. But there's a VVL versus Beams versus K20 tonight, which I might just show you guys later. This is also a cool build they're currently busy with. So this is also the trailing arm bushes over here. As you guys can see, they're totally destroyed. We're obviously going to use the press to remove it and insert it. And then you guys can just check over here. Currently busy with the ball joints right now. So these are the new ball joints. The old ball joints are out. Here's it over here. Totally destroyed as well. So yeah, like I mentioned, Philips Auto Works is going to assist me with fitting the trailing arm bushes and the ball joints, and then we can just install the rest of the parts on the car, and then the EK will be done. Yo guys, so there has been a few days since we actually worked on the EK. The car is all finished up. I just need to take the car for alignment, and the car is pretty dirty as well. Then once I do the alignment and have the car washed, I'll take out all the old parts and maybe just show you guys everything that we replaced. Okay guys, so I'm at the alignment place. They actually have a cool little area for customers to chill. Let me just show you guys around. So they obviously have a TV over there, coffee machine, toilets, etc. And this is basically the workspace. The EK is over there. Once it's done there, it's going to go on the alignment. So anyway, this is actually the company's name as well. And I showed you guys this place in the previous video when we did the car wash. Car wash is actually next door. So yeah, if you guys want to do alignment or any mechanical work, suspension work, contact them. I'll leave the information in the description below. Okay guys, so I just arrived to the courier company. I have the parts all laid out here. So as you guys know, it's an SR lip. This is also an SR lip. This is an EK door handle, EK rear visor, VTEC fin, then ARC coilovers for EK as well. This is a bearing for an FN2 type R as well. So these are a few parts that is being sent out today. So yeah, just thought I'd tag you guys along, seeing that I am busy working on the EK today, and we are currently waiting for there to be a spot for the alignment to be done. But yeah, just gonna have these parts wrapped up and sent out. Okay guys, so early on we drove on the exact same road when the alignment was not set. So I'm just going to insert that footage right here, and then show you guys the footage of us driving on the exact same road with the alignment done. So as you guys can see, the wheel is straight. In all honesty, I think the wheel is pulling slightly to the left, so I might just go tomorrow to have that fixed. But other than that, the car completely feels like a whole different car, I would say. Another thing that I really liked is that the gear lever is not really loose. I assumed the gear lever was going to be loose, or the linkages are loose, but it ended up just being the engine mounts. So because of the engine mounts, it made the gear lever feel loose. Everything drives perfect right now, besides the slight pulling to the left. But yeah, like I said, I'll fix that tomorrow. Yo guys, so I just arrived home from doing the alignment on the EK, and like I mentioned previously, I'm going to lay out a few of the parts that we replaced. So these are a few of the parts that we did replace on the EK. I'm just going to go through them with you guys. So as you guys can see, this is what they call a tie rod end, and as you guys can see, this part is damaged over here. Another thing that you guys are maybe not seeing here is the ball joints. But anyway, this is one of the engine mounts. We actually did, I think, all of the engine mounts. So this one was completely destroyed. This one is also damaged as well. And then what we also picked up while obviously doing a few things, we picked up that the brake pads are destroyed and needed to be replaced. I don't know if you guys know this little thing over here. Just see if I can focus it. So that basically shows you guys when the brakes are done. I mean, we could have driven a little bit further, but these brakes needed to be replaced. These are the fronts, these are the rears. Also don't look as bad, but yeah, I just wanted to replace everything. And then these are the stabilizer links.
Like I mentioned, some of the parts could most likely still have been used, but I wanted to freshen up everything. And then this is the fan switch. So I don't know if you guys recall, but my car currently ran on the fan all the time. So when you start the car, the fan would go on, but I added the fan switch, and these actually go hand in hand. So this is the thermostat. The thermostat basically tells the fan switch when to go on. This basically goes up and down depending on, how can I say, the heat of the car. Basically circulates everything in the car, or the water, or the coolant in the car, for example. So that's all sorted. The car currently runs now normal, and when it gets hot, the fan goes on because the fan switch tells it to go on. We were going to replace, I think, a fan belt, but I think we had the incorrect fan belt. So that is something we might just do in future as well. So I think a few other parts I might have not mentioned was the trailing arm pushers and a few other things as well. But yeah, I'm amazed by what the car drives, especially after the line has been done. I have way more plug to actually work on the car now. So you guys can be expecting a few mods. But this is what the EK looks like as well. Nicely washed and all fresh. So yeah, I'm very excited for what is up and coming for the EK. I obviously have a lot of parts lined up for the car, and like I mentioned before, I did not want to add any mods to the car until I felt like the car was, how can I say, in good nick, and how can I say, a good platform to actually start modifying the car. But yeah guys, hope you guys are excited for what is up and coming for the EK, because I certainly am. So please do like and subscribe, and please put on your notifications so you guys are notified when I will be dropping my next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do like and subscribe. Peace.